Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAP Lobby. Today we'll discuss on the batch management derivation in SAP PP. So this is part of the batch management. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. So first we'll discuss what is the batch derivation. So batch derivation is generally it allowed to automatically and efficiently transfer the batch characteristic value or batch field value from a sending metal batch to receiving metal batch. So if you explain in the simple way, like suppose in pharma industry, when we produce the any medicine, so validity expire when you decide the expire date or validity of the medicine, that depend on the validity of raw material which is used in the medicine. So for that, what is the expire date for raw material, that self expiration date of that raw material should transfer to the finished material, that medicine, so that based on that date of the raw material we can decide the validity for the finish your medicine. Okay, so this is what the uh, in this case we need the batch derivation, so that the components of the whatever the characteristic value or field value of the components, that can be transferred to the produced batch in which this component has used. Okay, so that it will ensure that all the characteristic value will be reflected in the final product. So either it will be like, as I said in the example, it will help to reflect the all the characteristics value or field value of the raw material in the, for the, it will be required for the to decide the validity of the finished product, or like any test report or any certificates, if you are genetic and legal certificate for the final product. So there also you can use this parameter. Okay, and this batch derivation will be useful only for field of the field of batch master or characteristics value of batch. Okay, and this generally this batch derivation will not work for network orders. Okay, and what is the benefit of batch derivation? Here it will be like enable the flexibility and accurate value transfer, and it will reduce the your operation cost. Okay, because if any, it is not required to, like when you decide any quality certificate or validity of the your finished product, no need to go and check all the raw materials, the validity or parameter, batch parameter. So because all will be transferred to the your finished material, so it will be reduce that cost of valid so that's what it will be reduce your operation cost, so that because you can easily pick all the composition, all the parameters of the raw materials, and then it will ensure the data accuracy, and it will be also save the data entry time. Okay, so these are the benefit of the batch derivation. Now types of batch derivation. So there are, on the base of derivation event, on the basis of derivation event, batch derivation is two types, like static batch derivation, dynamic batch derivation. So in static derivation means you already sent the sender's batch, your attribute of sender's batch as transferred to the receiver batch in static. Dynamic means no attribute will not transferred, it will only simulate. Okay, it will simulate, it will be like merely displayed. Okay, and but actually it will not transport to the receiver batch. Okay, or its receiver will not change automatically. That is dynamic. And then wave wave derivation trigger event. On the basis of trigger event, so batch derivation is also two types, like push derivation and pull derivation. Push means like there will be one receiver, but there are many several senders and several senders. So when you pull the all the parameter of senders batch parameter to the one receiver, that is the pull derivation. So various senders, all the parameters will be like collected, accumulated, and sent, calculate and transport to the one receiver. Okay, so that is one receiver and several sender. In case of push derivation, one sender batch transferred to the several receiver batch. Okay, one sender batch and there will be several receiver batch. Like one example, like in chemical industry, we have filling the bulk batches. So what happened, you created some bulk batches, and when you actually the finished product when you created, you are putting in the different container. Okay, and you are filling the that bulk batches into all these containers. Okay, so that bulk batches will be, that parameters will transport to your all the containers. So that is like one sender batch and others are, and to the several receiver batches. Okay, that is the push derivation. Now, what is the prerequisite of the batch derivation? First, in the you need to activate the batch derivation at client level, and then activate the your batch where user list. So that is important. So your where user list should be activated for the batch derivation. And then you have to maintain the condition record for bill of material, and receiver condition record, sender condition record. So all those need to be maintained. Okay, now validity of batch derivation. So first thing, like when you transfer the sender's batch parameter to the sender's batch, after that if you exchange that component, then your batch derivation in, so like, because in production order you suppose in production order you have some component batch, and your component batch parameter is sent to the uh, sent to the receiver batch, and then later on you change that component, means that batch derivation will be invalid for that if you change that component. Similarly, like you have sent the all the senders batch to the receiver, and in meantime you change the batch of the component. Okay, in that case also it will be invalid. And suppose you change the batch of the finished product, produced batch. Suppose you exchange the batch of the produced batch. Okay, then also it will be invalid. So exchange of the produced batch of an order that was used as a component batch of the subsequent order. Okay, one of the component batch was a sender batch. Okay, and for the produced batch in one subsequent order, this means that part of batch where used is now invalid. Okay, so if you exchange this batch, then it will be impact also validity of the batch derivation. Okay. And if you change an attribute, suppose after uh, transferring, if you are changing attribute of that batch, okay, then also your derivation will be invalid. Okay, so these are the conditions where if you exchange or modify anything in that after batch derivation, then your batch derivation will not work. Okay, now transaction codes. So to create the maintenance with bomb, condition record maintenance with bomb, that is transaction is tvco. tvr1 is to receipt condition record, tvs1 is the sender condition record, tvman will be manual batch derivation, and tvmo is monitor batch derivation. So let me go to this. I'll show you there. So first I'll show in SPRO. In SPRO Logistic General, under Logistic General there will be the batch management. Okay, under batch management there will be the batch derivation of batch data. So here so derivation is active. Okay, this should be active. Batch derivation is active. Okay, then so here like derivation event. So these are like on what level you want to do the batch derivation, like user decision, because you can do the derivation at the user decision or release of after release of production order, after code receipt, or manual derivation. Okay, you can do manual derivation also. Okay, and these are the some current receipt process and type like static. Okay, then so these are bodies, and here like some conditions if you want to maintain on the here, so you can maintain the condition tables. Okay, like search procedures. So these are the like search procedures. So here you want to condition. So condition, if you look at metal number, metal type. Okay. So these are you can maintain. So these conditions here, if you look at, these are the condition tables. Suppose this is for receipt. So these are this condition table. So here it will receiver material. Similarly, this is the like all these SAP standard, but something if you need the business specific, you can maintain the condition tables here. Okay, and its strategy type, if you want to maintain some strategy type here, like if you go to the strategy type. So here you have maintained the strategy types. Okay, so this you can maintain. Okay. Then after that, so this is part of the configuration, and here if you go to the transact level, logistic, central function, and here the batch management, under that batch management, batch derivation. So first, sorry, we will maintain this metal condition. So I have maintained for one of the material. Okay, so I will show you. Here you will maintain the for bomb level, like suppose finished metal and its component, we can maintain the condition record for the. So if you look, this is the raw material and this is the finished material. Okay, and here we can maintain the I want to transfer the batch revision for self expiration date and date of manufacture to finished material. So I maintain these two. Okay, similarly you can maintain the your components and batch, even like if, so this is a value characteristics value, so I maintain here. Okay, and then here you need to create the receipt creation record. So I took this strategy for this is for receiver condition record. 1 second, stuck up. Let me open. Okay, so here logistic, central function, and then batch management and batch derivation. Okay, and here receipt condition record. So suppose this is receipt. So here these two are coming, so I maintain with metal number. Okay, so here if I go, this is metal number. Okay, so this is my metal receiver material, and if I go details, here you can get the, so I have maintained the field value of the batch master, that is self expiration date and date of manufacture. And then here rules you can maintain, like suppose sender field is empty, then what should be the warning or error you can maintain. And override receipt, here anything happen, you did not override something, then you can maintain what will error or warning message what will come. And levels of batch warning list, batch varied list. Okay, so 99. And another is compare something, suppose you have the more than one sender. Okay, so that you can maintain. Okay, so this is all about like attribute roles. So this is about the receiver. Okay, and for sender, if you want to maintain sender, so this is for sender, that combination. So if you look at this is I made this combination. This is my receiver and this is my sender material. Okay, now if I create one production order for this one, for this finished material. So suppose I put the 5 and I will give this date, current date. Okay, and if you look at, now this is created, and now the component is this one, raw material. So one more thing, like before you have this, your metal should be batch managed. Okay, metal should be the batch managed, and so that is basic. So under batch, if you are using the batch management, then this activity is required. Okay, so now I need to check what is the batch are available for this one. MMBE. Check 774. Okay, so if I use 774, so here, sorry, so here now batch is 776. So now I will do the manual batch derivation. So if I go here, central function, then batch management and batch derivation. Here if I go to the manual derivation, so this transaction TVMAN. Okay, so if I go here, batch, I'll put 776. Okay, and if I do this one, okay, so see, this is picked from that this batch 774. So if you look at, initially it was the 76 was blank, data manufacturing necessity was blank. So when I run this and perform derivation, so it pick all the SLED and data manufactured from this batch. So if I open this batch, see, this batch is from the raw material 774. If you look at, this is SLED and this is data manufactured. So this is now updated in the this receiver batch. So this is your sender batch and this is your receiver batch. Okay. So here, like I did manual derivation, but if you want to do during production something, if you want to use user exit, so user exits are available also. So you can do the customize as per your business process. Okay. Hope you understood the process of batch derivation. Okay, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any comment, please let know. Okay, thank you for watching.